If you've been thinking about the HVAC program at Centennial College at all, give me a few minutes of your time. My name is Ron. I'm full-time HVAC faculty at Centennial College. And I just want to answer a few of your questions. Yes, our program will be running in September. And I guess the biggest question most people always have is, what's the job market like after you've finished the program? So you may have read or heard on the news about the shortage of skilled trades workers. That is a case in the HVAC field as well. Lots of job opportunities, lots of streams, a few different streams you can go. So if you take this program, you can get into the field, working in the field as a 313A, 313D refrigeration mechanic and gas technician. You do need further training down the line, but it gets you on the road, on the track for that. There are also other opportunities. There are sales opportunities, there are wholesale opportunities, there are manufacturers opportunities, engineering opportunities if you chose to go further down that road as well. So lots of opportunities, lots of jobs available in the HVAC field. So our HVAC diploma program, 4 semesters. This is not an apprenticeship. Apprenticeship is completely different. We'll talk about that at the end a little bit, but this is not an apprenticeship. You still do need to get an apprenticeship after you're done. That is done through the ministry. You cannot get an apprenticeship through schools, through any school. That has to be done. You need to get a job. That employer needs to sign you up as an apprentice, and you carry on from there. But this program will get you on the track for that. So lots of good things to learn. It's a great field. So yes, and we also do apprenticeship training. So if you are an apprentice, or if that's your goal down the line, we can do your training for that as well. Because if you go the apprenticeship route, sign up with the ministry as an apprentice, the ministry will send you for training as well. We are one of the schools that do that training. So I've been in the field for 41 years. To me, it's the best job in the world. You're doing something different every day. You're not doing the same thing all the time. You're learning a lot of different skill sets. You're learning refrigeration, you're learning air conditioning, you're learning heating, you're learning a little bit of plumbing, you're learning a little bit of ductwork, you're learning some electrical, you're learning some controls. So a broad field. You've got the residential market, you've got the commercial industrial market, you've got supermarkets, and then you've got even larger equipment than that. So lots of different routes to go in the field, but an awesome career path to take. So if you're looking at HVAC at all, you're looking for any more information, please feel free to contact us at Centennial College. We'd be happy to answer your questions. And maybe we'll see you in the future.